Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay app, tap passes and plus pass, and now focus on loyalty, program and gift card. First let's select loyalty and select card you would like to add. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap save and it's done. Next, let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty cards, select shop. And now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. All of your passes are available in passes category. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.